Well, guess what? I'm out again. Lucky devil. On a sunny day. I just watched a small video about riding up rocky areas where they said change up a gear so it's a little bit softer on the throttle and it should be a bit smoother. So I'm riding this one now and you can hear it labouring a little bit, but is it working? You know what? Yeah, I think it is. Because you got a little bit of slack, I suppose, in the throttle, and the chain is not so sensitive, you know, to throttle input when you're up another gear. So usually I'll get in a second and give it a fair bit of welly up through there, trying to hop over the top of the stones. But this time I flicked it into third, and yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. It seemed to work. You got to remember, obviously, this is not a 250 or a 300, so the second, third is in these sort of tighter lanes. It's usually where this 701 lies and lives. That me is like an obstacle course here with this branches coming right across chest head height. Good job I got the screen to duck down behind sometimes. A glorious day. I'll just have a little bit of a play out today and then keep the muscles supple for Sunday's event, and give the bike a good clean and a check over, get it all prepped for Sunday. I got the road book on this DMD2 as well, so I've got the map they sent me over, the road book, so that's on there with all the directions for Sunday. I just got to get the screen angle well and power light on. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, I can see very well this, maybe the glare, but yeah, there's the road book. Oh, let's do it up and down with this. Yeah, look, left, right, you know, and that's locked, see, so if you're getting a rain coming down, look, see, nothing's happening, so the rain's coming down on the screen, won't alter it, and I can just alter it on this, up and down, yeah, so I can read it. It's a nice good sized screen, or I can unlock it, and then I've got all the, you know, I can move around on the attachment settings, so forth. So yeah, should be good. Right, I'm going up right, and glutton for punishment. Gotta be done, gotta be done. Bloody hell. Oh, that's proper rough. That is... Oh, slipping the clutch a fair bit then and going all over. Not very professional, that. There's some rocks stood right up then. You're not going to see on the camera. Proper bad stuff. Well, as I said, glutton for punishment. I come up through there, and Paul's gone the easier route, and there's a bloody car crash in between the two junctions. So he's gone back down. He can't get through. So I got to come back down this bloody lane again. That's what happens. See, what happens to that saying? Those who favours the brave, eh? There's also stupidity as well. Look at this lot. Oh my god. This is proper. I suppose coming down the hill you can see what you're coming up against. Well, there you go. Fancy it? Right, let's get through. Here we go, English Combe. Jesus wept. That was deep. You should have videoed it on your bloody phone. Yeah, alright. No, I'm going to film you now. Woo! How far up did he go? He must be below the seat though. Well, there's water there. Was it? It really felt it halfway along. I was going to get stuck, yeah. Well, that's one off to CV. I went through, but guys, the pipe is broken. There's no pipe there, so you've got no angled pipe. But I would say the silt in there is really bad. Well, that was shitty. On a nice day. My boots are full up. After Paul watched me go through, I thought he might have had it, but no, he's not doing it. I need to empty my boots, they're full up. must admit, even on a bone dry, well, everything's dry now and dusty and everything, that English Combe water was, well, I've had a hire in the winter months, came up over here on one of the rides, as you'll see on one of my earlier videos. But yeah, as you can see, Paul said it was kicking up over around there, but it super felt like it was up to my top yoke here at some point, because I was just sinking in. I thought I was going to get caught up, and I got the trials tyre on, so all the way I got caught on the fucking pipe. Oh my god! I cut me nose now. I can feel that. Something's stinging. Whoa! Bugger. Let's see who I might catch up here. Who knows I might catch up with. Protect the wildlife. Oh, last bit of water for today. Yep. Well, that's that little bit of ride done for today. Very pleased I went through the water at English Combe and survived. That always played on my mind every time I was riding over the side of the bridge, because everybody said they dumped it, and but I've done it, so I, you know, no need to prove anything now. So to myself. Anyway, get home, give the bike a good clean up, give it a good oil, you know, a little bit of polish, and have a look at those brake pads. I still think they're good enough for this this ride. I don't fancy putting brand new in and anything binding up, anything what might cock up during my maintenance. And then yeah, let's see what Sunday brings. I'm none the wiser, I know nothing. I'm going so tight areas that only a trials bike really should be doing it. not saying this bike by all means is suitable for it, but the ideal is to you know, enter and finish, no DNF. I can hold my head up and say, yeah, done that, nice, worth it. Or it could be bloody hard and horses for courses. So anyway, guys, I'll see you all Sunday, and I'll say best of luck to me. Cheers for now. Bye bye.